Hello friends, today we are going to make aloo vadi or taro leaf fritters in Hammari style. Take some leaves and clean these leaves under water from both the sides. Now take some green chilies, garlics and coriander leaves and make a coarse paste in a mixer. Now take some besan or gram flour, or you can also call it as a chickpea flour. Now add the coarse paste in the basin. You can add more if you want spicy. After adding the paste, add some turmeric powder, then add some salt as per taste, and now we are going to add water to make thick batter. Don't add too much of water because we need this batter thick, not a thin, because we are going to apply this batter on the leaves. You can see the consistency, it is very thick. Now take one leaf and put this batter on the leaf and spread all over the leaf by spoon or by your hand. Spread this batter over all part of the leaf. Now take one more leaf and place on the first one and put the batter on it. Now this is a very popular dish in India. It's famous all over India. In Maharashtra it is aloo vadi and Gujarat it is patra. Now the second leaf is over. You can place third one, then fourth and fifth, and each and every leaf should be coated with the batter you made. Now once all the coating is over, make a roll of these leaves, because you are going to steam this roll in pressure cooker before frying in oil. Now make the rolls ready and put this in a pressure cooker and take 2 whistles. Once the steaming is over, take the rolls out. You can see it is nicely steamed and cooked. Now let it get cool. Once it will cool, cut this into small pieces. You can see it looks so yummy. The gram flour basin is cooked very nicely. Like this, cut all the rolls into small pieces. Now we are going to fry this in oil. We are going to deep fry this at low or medium flame until it becomes crispy. So once it is ready, you can see it is so crispy. You can eat this either with tomato ketchup or green chili. It looks so yummy. If you like this recipe, please like our video and subscribe.